Let's master Canva AI together. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Canva AI to automate your business or your work. I'm going to be teaching you how to create beautiful thumbnails like the ones you see on the screen using Canva AI. I'm also going to be teaching you how to create blog posts using Canva AI and also add images to them. Lastly, I'm going to be teaching you how to create PowerPoint presentation using Canva AI. The first thing you need to do is log into your Canva account and click on this make me an image button. Here you either type or paste your prompt. I'm asking it to design a YouTube thumbnail about Canva AI. So at the bottom left hand side, you can click on this add image to add an image for style referencing. Next, you click on this icon to select the style of your design. I prefer smart. Next, you select your desired aspect ratio, then click create. Wait for it to generate your thumbnail. You can see this beautiful YouTube thumbnail it has generated. Yes, and they are so good. Just click on any of the image, then click on these three dots, then click on download. You can click on the edit button to edit. I have a comprehensive video on the channel on how to edit your generated video. So now I'm just going to ask it to please make it better and click create again. See what it gives me. You can see this is better. I like the third image. Wow, like I like this image, so I'm just going to click on it, then click on the three dots to download. I think I'll use this one. Next, I'm going to go and work on the prompt. I'm going to ask it to add a smiling cartoon female, character. Then I'm going to click on create. It's just going to generate it for me. You can see how beautiful it is. I think I like the second one. So you can go ahead and click on the download button to, download any image you like. Next, go to Canva home and click on write my first draft. Next, I'm just going to type in the name of this draft, that is how to bake bread. Then click on this magic write and give it, or type in your prompt. Like I'm just going to type write an engaging blog post on how to bake bread. Then click on generate and wait for it to generate. Look at it, it has generated my blog post. I'm just going to go up and see. There is something truly magical. I think it is engaging. I'm just going to click on enter now, and I'm going to click on the header and go ahead and edit the header. Okay, be patient for it to load. Then I'm going to edit the first heading, that is the header one. I'm going to change it to how to bake bread. Then I'm going to click on the second header. I'm going to change it to step-by-step guide. Feel free to change yours to whatever it is you're doing. Then I'm going to click on the first header, then go to element and type in baked bread. Then I'm going to go to graphics. Nope, I think I'm just going to go to photos. Yes, I'm going to go to photos, and I'm going to choose a baked bread. I think I like this one. I'm going to adjust it. Then I'm going to remove some of the elements because I think they are not necessary since it's a bread. Then I'm going to go to the font and change the fonts. I'm going to change the font. You can decide to leave yours if you like. Then click on save. And you can see it has changed the header. I'm going to also go ahead and read the blog post, then go to elements and bring image that corresponds to it. So I'm going to bring bread for the first image. I think I'm going to bring this one. I'm going to adjust it. You can see you are doing this right on Canva. To go to the next headline or sentence, and since it says why bake a bread at home, I'm going to bring this basket of bread. Next, I'm going to go to the next headline that says essential ingredients. Then I'm going to type in bread ingredients in Canva elements. Then search for bread ingredients. I think I'm just going to use this one. Yes, I'm going to adjust it, then move to the next one that says basic equipment. To go to element and type in baking equipment. Then I'm going to go to photos and see all. So I'm going to search for baking equipment or bread baking equipment, anyone that works. So I think I'm going to pick this one, and I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to pick the image and adjust it. You can do the same for others. So I'm just going to type in mixing a dough, and I'm going to bring any picture that corresponds to that. Okay, I think this matches it. Then I'm going to go to the next one that says kneading, and I'm going to type in kneading a dough in Elements. I think this image captures it. So I'm just going to move down to cooling, but if you like, you can add image in the entire heading or sentence, but I'm just going to move to cooling, then go to Elements and type in cooling a bread, and I'm just going to go to photos and search. Yes, I think this one on a cooling tray portrays it, so I'm just going to adjust it. Then next, I'm going to go to the last sentence or the last paragraph and type in home baked bread in Elements, then bring the image of home baked bread. Yes, I think this captures it, and my blog post is really beautiful, and you can also try this. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you are still watching at this point, and let me know what you think. I'm just going to go ahead and download it. I'm going to go back to Canva homepage, then I'm going to click on presentation, then I'm going to wait for it to load, then type in design a presentation on hospital management. It will go ahead, Canva AI will go ahead and generate a presentation on hospital management. You can see, click on magic design. You can see that it created how many for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 presentations I can choose from. So I'm just going to choose the fourth one. I think I like it better. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on apply all 7 pages. You can see it's now ready. So I'm going to click on the first PowerPoint page, then I'm going to click on the background, then click on color. Here you can change the color of this page, of this PowerPoint page or presentation page. You can see you can play with the colors, but I'm going to return it back to the normal color because I like it minimalist. You can click on the text and also go to font and change the font to anyone you like. You can also delete the image and bring another image. In the second presentation page, you can also do the same. Also in the third, you can edit the text, the background color. You can also delete the image and bring a new image. Okay, so I think this is good enough. So I'm just going to go ahead and title my presentation. I'm going to title it Hospital Management. Lastly, I'm going to click on share, download, then download my presentation in PDF. Please do not forget to subscribe.